LG has introduced the new color of the V30 Raspberry Rose and the luxury model V30 Signature Edition. This powerful pink joins the offer in black, silver, blue and violet, which will only be available in selected markets, and undoubtedly, it is beautiful, especially when the light falls on it, and the contrast with the front in black color makes it stand out even more. Another model that was exhibited is the LG V30 Signature Edition, which was well insured in its window. This equipment considered ultra-premium. It is sold in black or white, but what makes it expensive is the ceramic cover, which replaces the glass, so it is scratch-resistant and can even be updated including your name on the back. It also has 6 GB RAM and 256 GB of storage and Android 8, unlike the other models.